AWS is the world's leading cloud computing platform, offering over 200 services across compute, storage, databases, networking, analytics, machine learning, and more. It enables organizations to build, deploy, and scale applications globally with a pay-as-you-go pricing model, no upfront hardware costs, on-demand resources, and automatic scaling. Amazon Web Services. AWS organizes its infrastructure into regions, geographic areas with multiple isolated data centers called availability zones or AZs, and edge locations for low-latency content delivery. This provides high availability, fault tolerance, and compliance with data residency requirements. Core service categories. AWS groups services into broad categories. Examples below. The full list evolves frequently. Docs.aws.amazon. Compute. Processing power for running applications. Storage. Scalable data storage options. Databases. Managed relational, no SQL, and specialized databases. Networking and content delivery. Connectivity, security, and global delivery. Security, identity, and compliance. Access control, encryption, and threat protection. Analytics and machine learning. Data processing, insights, and AI/ML tools. Containers and serverless, modern deployment models. Developer tools, management and governance, migration, and many specialized areas. IoT, media, game tech, etc. Key services explained. Compute services. Amazon EC2, Elastic Compute Cloud, the foundational service for on-demand virtual servers. Choose instance types, CPU, memory, storage, operating systems, and scale capacity up/down. Ideal for web servers, batch processing, or any workload needing full control. Geeks for Geeks, AWS Lambda, serverless compute, run code in response to events, for example, file uploads, API calls, without provisioning or managing servers. You pay only for execution time. Perfect for event-driven apps, microservices, or automation. AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Platform as a Service, PaaS, for deploying and managing web apps. Handles infrastructure provisioning, load balancing, and scaling automatically. Amazon ECS/EKS/Fargate, container orchestration, Docker/Kubernetes, with serverless options via Fargate. Storage services. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. Highly durable, scalable object storage for any data type, images, videos, backups, data lakes. Features include versioning, lifecycle policies, and static website hosting. Extremely cost-effective with multiple storage classes, standard intelligent tiering, Glacier for archival. https://aws.planning.amazon EBS. Elastic Block Store. Persistent block storage volumes attached to EC2 instances, like a virtual hard drive. Amazon EFS, managed file storage for Linux-based workloads needing shared access across instances. Amazon S3, Glacier, low-cost archival, and long-term backup storage. Database services. Amazon RDS, Relational Database Service. Manage relational databases supporting MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, Oracle, and SQL Server. Handles backups, patching, replication, and scaling. https://aws.planning.amazon. DynamoDB, fully managed NoSQL database for high-performance key-value and document workloads with automatic scaling. Amazon. Elasticache, in-memory caching, Redis or memcached, for sub-millisecond latency. Amazon Redshift, petabyte-scale data warehouse for analytics and business intelligence. Networking and content delivery. Amazon VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. Isolated virtual network for your resources. Define subnets, route tables, and security groups. Elastic Load Balancing, ELB, distributes incoming traffic across multiple targets. Amazon CloudFront, Global Content Delivery Network, CDN, for fast, secure delivery of static/dynamic content. Amazon Route 53, Scalable DNS and Domain Registration Service. AWS API Gateway, create, publish, and manage REST/HTTP/WebSocket. AP is Security and Identity. AWS IAM, Identity and Access Management. Fine-grained access control via users, groups, roles, and policies. AWS KMS, Key Management Service, Managed Encryption Key Service. Additional tools include Guard Duty, Threat Detection, WAF, Web Application Firewall, and Secrets Manager, Analytics, ML, and other notable services. Amazon, Athena, serverless interactive query service for S3 data using standard SQL. Amazon SageMaker, fully managed platform to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. AWS CloudWatch, monitoring, logging, and alerting for resources and applications. AWS CloudFormation, infrastructure as code, IAC, for provisioning resources via templates. Benefits and pricing, scalability, and elasticity. Automatically handle traffic spikes. Global reach, 30+ regions and 100+. Availability zones, as of 2026. Security and compliance, shared responsibility model, with extensive certifications, cost model. Pay only for what you use, free tier available for new users. Reserved instances and savings plans, reduce costs for steady workloads. AWS supports virtually any use case, from simple websites and mobile backends to complex enterprise data lakes, AI workloads, and hybrid cloud migrations. Enjoyed this AWS cloud overview? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cloud computing, AWS, DevOps, and tech tutorials. Whether you're preparing for AWS certifications, starting your cloud journey, or building scalable applications, this channel will help you master the skills you need. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Share this video with friends and colleagues who want to learn AWS.